Lovingly restored and carefully curated with respect to its heritage and ties to the local township, this stunning homestead, the Grange, was first built in 1887. Nestled into 10 acres of north-facing land, the charming timber residence welcomes with beautifully landscaped gardens and wraparound timber decks, revealing the glorious hinterland outlook. The beautiful interiors are masterfully dressed to showcase the timeless features of the home. From a stunning teak flooring, high-set timber ceilings and a classic wood stove fireplace, the home is abundant in old-world character. A country-style kitchen is wrapped in rich olive green cabinetry and features a farmhouse sink with brass tapware and is complemented by modern, high-quality appliances. Flowing through the large dining room, you'll find yourself immersed in breathtaking valley views, taken in from the large wraparound timber deck, which is synonymous with this style of home. For family and guest entertaining, there's a lovely lounge room boasting that cosy fireplace, as well as a media room with movie nights in with the family. There are 3 classic bedrooms, plus the media room could be converted to a 4th bedroom if needed, as well as a gorgeous main bathroom with timber vanity, herringbone floor tiles and a classic bathtub. The lovely main bedroom is spacious and has the addition of a walk-in robe and ensuite. Blessed by the natural beauty of the Clunes Valley, this spectacular 10-acre lifestyle property also includes multiple sheds, a rustic guest cabin and acres of undulating grasslands. In addition, there's a commercially zoned space at the top of the property, providing solid rental returns. In close proximity to the main village, there's great scope for multiple business opportunities, including cafes, retail shops and more. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.